All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a kitchen and bath remodeling quote calculator to your website. And this is a quote calculator I built specifically for kitchen and bathroom remodeling that I'm going to show you how to add to your website, and I'm going to show you how to get this on your website. If you want to come on over and check this out, use it for free, you're more than welcome to. Link's going to be directly below. The link for the listing on Etsy will be below as well. I do sell this on Etsy. One-time fee is $67, very cheap. You can have this up and installed on your website in literally 2 minutes, and I'm going to show you how to do this in this video right here. So both links will be directly below, or you can click the link on the upper right-hand corner of this video itself. So with that being said, let me show you all the features this has and show you how to get it set up on your website. So this is a kitchen and bathroom remodeling calculator where you can get an instant estimate for your remodel, adjust options to see the scope, finishes, and layout. Changes affect the price. Select your project type, choose your scope and finishes, then review the estimate below. So you got a homeowner estimate and you got a contractor breakdown or estimate, whichever wording you want to use. So you got a job cost builder. You can put your job name, customer name, demo and tear out, disposal, whatever options you want to put in. It's got everything over here to the left. And the prices are going to switch as you put it in here. So we can put in Smith Kitchens, customer name, Mike Smith. And I'm just going to show you how you add to this. Once you fill it out, obviously it comes in automatically. So you're going to put in your numbers here, your permit fee, your electrical, cabinets, countertops, flooring, whatever your fees are, you're going to put it in here, and it's going to adjust automatically in the pricing and profit breakdown. It's going to tell you if you got a healthy margin, this price gives you room for surprise and a fair profit. You can load an example job, print report, copy it, and you can reset here if you want to start over. Just click reset. It's going to reset all the settings, and you can start over. So it's got everything you need for you as a contractor to price your jobs, get some estimates over here, and for homeowners that are going to be coming on your site. You're going to be pre-qualifying your homeowners. They're going to be filling out this form. They're going to get a ballpark estimate, and you can have your call now button right here. All they do is click call now. You can have it under the tool itself with your number to call. And it's going to pre-qualify your leads, keep them on your site longer, and get you more jobs, basically, is what this is going to do. And here's the project detail. So it's very good to have one of these on your site. Project type, it's going to bring a lot of people, especially if you do some SEO. And I'll show you a tip near the end of this video as well. So you got kitchen remodel, bathroom, basement, general room, project scope. You got different options, room size. We can put a large room, custom square foot. It's going to change, and all the pricing will change. We're going to reset this. Custom square foot. Medium, we'll go to large. As you can see, the prices are changing right down. Estimated range, that's a low estimate. That's a high estimate. And you can go through all this. A customer can go through all these different finish level. Most of them are optional, but if they do all of them, obviously the price is going to change whatever they put into these different settings. So it covers pretty much everything. Material allowance level, standard quality, upgraded, high-end, luxury. Timeline, you got region, cost level. Low cost area, average cost area, high cost, very high cost, metro, probably like LA or New York City or Chicago. Homeowner name. You can put in that. Project notes are optional. So it's going to give them a ballpark estimate as what you want. And then it tells you right here, and it tells you right here the charges, and you're good to go. Another really cool feature on this is contractor setup. This is really cool, where you can put your company name for branding, your phone number you put in right here, and that's going to show up where I showed you earlier. Website URL, your logo URL. You can change the primary color and the accent color, which are up here. You can change the base costs. If your base costs are different than what I have, these are estimates. They should be pretty accurate, but it's not going to be, you might have different estimates you want to put for your local area that could be higher or lower than what they are. And you can do that right here. So you can always update the numbers so you get a more accurate estimate based on exactly where you live if you wanted to do that. Allowances and line items, you got labor rate, demo allowance, disposal. You got every single feature you can imagine on here, even sales tax for your state. And you can click this button right here, enable sales tax on estimates, where you can enable that. And all you do is click save settings, and you're good to go. It's going to be everything that you put in here will be saved into the calculator for all your future use. You can also click export customize calculator and reset to defaults. So all you do is click save settings when you switch up there, and everything will be switched over. Click contractor setup, takes you back to the tool, and that's that. Very cool, nice looking tool. And then that call now button is going to be down here. You got a print estimate, copy estimate. You can save this to a PDF, which is really cool, and for the homeowner mode. And you got that reset button, like I said. So that's that. Now let me show you how easy this is. If you decide you're a contractor and you want a kitchen and bathroom, you want this exact calculator on your site, I'm going to show you how easy it is to put on your site. So you don't have to have any experience. You don't have to be tech savvy. It's literally going to take you 2 minutes, and I'm going to show you. So this is what you do. Is what we're going to do first is click here. I've already got these pulled up for you. This is a file you're going to want. So when you order this off Etsy, you're going to get a file that looks like this. Kitchen, bathroom, remodeling calculator. We're going to double click on it. And you can see right here, it's got the embed. So this has actually got the whole code in it for you, but I'm going to show you a different way to do it. If you click on this, and this is it right here. And all you got to do is copy and paste this. This is the easiest way to do it right here. You can also pull up the actual calculator itself. Right click, and I'll show you the second way to do this as well. But this is included right in your files when you buy this tool. Make sure you get it all the way to the end. It's all highlighted. All you do is click copy. Done. And you can also go to, it shows you, I got installation guides here. Quick start guide, and this is the actual calculator right here. This is a HTML document. You can also open up the calculator itself, right click, click view page source, and hold down the left button on your mouse, and you're going to go all the way down. Copy everything in this code. Make sure you get to that last HTML with the bracket through it. Make sure you get everything. Click copy, and you're good to go. So you can do either way that I just showed you. Now what you're going to do is go over, open up this is for WordPress, but you can use it for anywhere you have custom HTML, which is pretty much any platform, but WordPress is the biggest. So this is what I'm going to show you. This is what I use, and this is what I'm going to do for the demo. So what you do is click custom HTML. Let me see if you guys didn't catch that. Let me go slower here. So we're going to click the box through the plus sign. We're going to left click on it where it says add block. It's going to say custom HTML right here. We're going to left click on it. And where it says write HTML, we're going to paste that code. So we're going to left click. We're going to right click, on your mouse pad. And you're going to click paste the code we just copied. Obviously, you're going to put a title right here. And this is going to be the title of your calculator. And you're going to click save draft. And obviously, you're going to want to publish this once you're done. You got the title in and everything's set up. And you're going to click view preview. And there's the tool right on your site. Just like that. It's going to work right out of the box, just like I showed you, just like the one I just demoed on. And that's all there is to install this. That's how easy it is. So you can literally have this on your site in literally 2 minutes. I wasn't kidding when I said that. Super easy. and then you're good to go. Let me give you some tips here, though. We're going to go back to add post. This is it right here. Obviously, you're going to want to put your title name in here. If you do buy this calculator, you're using it for a specific city, some tips I can give you is to create a fact section so you can get more traffic, on questions that potential customers are going to ask about. It could be this specific calculator, kitchen and bathroom remodel, whatever. For this calculator, you're going to want to ask questions and answer questions that people would ask about kitchen and bathrooms. And the goal is to get traffic from, AI answers, Google, and all that stuff. So the more you can do this, the better. And you can make it localized to wherever you live. So if you're in Chicago, you could say, gear all your questions towards Chicago, the Chicago area, and answer all the questions that somebody would ask that was interested in getting this done. So it drives visitors to your site, and they get them using the calculator, calling you, and then you getting the job, obviously. That's what you want to do. Another really good way to do this is just to use AI and ask AI for the questions. Say, I live in Chicago. I got a kitchen and bathroom lead generation calculator installed on my site I just bought. I need 50 questions, 100 to 200 word answers. Make sure they're meaty, and I need you to research, the best questions, and it can give you a list of all of them. It can even do the work for you if you want to go that route. You can go in there and edit it and add your own words to it to speed the process up. But it can help you out do this and drastically speed it up. That way you can rank for local keywords in your area for this page. You're going to drive more traffic to actually use this tool. So I hope you enjoyed this tool. If you have any questions about that, shoot me a comment in the comment section below. I hope this video was useful and you got value out of it. But that's so easy. It takes like literally 2 minutes. Link to the Etsy listing is going to be directly below. I'm also going to leave a link to the actual tool that I showed you, so you can come on over and check it out for yourself. If you want to pick it up, the Etsy link will be the second link directly below, and it'll be on the page. Obviously, I showed you it, that you can come demo the actual tool. So thanks for watching. If you like this tool or this video, hit the like button. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions, shoot me a comment in the comment section below, and have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.